The cryptocurrency markets provide a variety of opportunities for financial gain. This includes purchasing and holding digital currencies in the traditional sense, as well as through staking, interest accounts, airdrops, play-to-earn games, and other methods. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to make money with crypto. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 7. Day trading. Actively participating in day trading is one of the most rewarding ways to earn money with cryptocurrencies. The tiny caveat is that you must at least have a fundamental understanding of how to use the best crypto tools to assess prices and predict whether a given token's value will increase or decrease. If you can pull this off, you can earn money trading cryptocurrency all day long. The main idea behind day trading in cryptocurrencies is to hunt for opportunities to profit from recent volatility. Expert traders in this market will also infrequently, if ever, hold onto a position for longer than a day. Number 6. Holding. The finest choice for beginners on our list of ways to earn money with cryptocurrencies is undoubtedly this one. This is due to the fact that buying a cryptocurrency and hanging onto your tokens over the long term is known as hodling, a play on the word hold. This is equivalent to purchasing stocks and holding them for a number of years. And by doing this, you may avoid worrying about sudden changes in price, especially if you buy reputable and long-standing cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Number 5. Play-to-earn crypto games. You might be shocked to find that there are other ways to generate money with cryptocurrencies than through playing games. There is little doubt that the industry for play-to-earn cryptocurrency games is currently worth billions of dollars. Although there are many other kinds and variants of games in this category, Decentraland is likely one of the best crypto games to take into consideration. Simply put, Decentraland provides a metaverse where users from around the world may create virtual characters, interact with others, and most importantly, purchase real estate. Once you have acquired a piece of land and constructed your own real estate project, this is then shown as a distinctive NFT. Number 4. Airdrops. Similar to faucets, airdrops give you the chance to acquire free cryptocurrency tokens without having to pay for them up front. This article's basic idea is that certain recently created projects will transfer their native tokens straight into users' wallets as a way to get cryptocurrencies into widespread use. Number 3. Invest in high-potential crypto presales like MetaMasters Guild. Investing as early as possible in the greatest altcoins is generally the best approach to earning money with cryptocurrencies. After all, you would have spent a minuscule fraction of a cent if you had purchased Bitcoin at the time of the digital currency's initial debut in 2009. Comparably, when Ethereum's token was introduced in 2015, it was only trading at $0.75 per token. The aforementioned ventures have both yielded sizable profits and are now each worth thousands of dollars. Due to the fact that they are brand new ventures, cryptocurrency presales often offer prices below market value. As a result, they have greater potential for profit than more established projects, though investors should be sure to conduct adequate research and due diligence before making a presale investment. Number 2. Earn monthly TradFi returns from the Uncharted NFTs. The Uncharted provides cryptocurrency users with yet another fantastic source of money. The 21,000 NFT collection provides Web3 users with TradFi returns. The project is supported by the cutting-edge HFT, high-frequency trading, algorithms of Zeta Capital Fund. During quarterly airdrops, the Uncharted NFT owners are given a portion of the monthly profit made by the fund. The fund will be dispersed equally to NFT holders and the Uncharted Ltd. After the initial 3-year term. The returns are anticipated to increase as the fund compounds over time. This does not imply that you must use the NFTs for the full 3 years. They are always available for sale again on secondary NFT markets. Number 1. Passive cryptocurrency mining. Running your own mining equipment would allow you to directly earn money with cryptocurrencies. Yet purchasing the equipment necessitates a sizable down payment and technical know-how to set it up. As an alternative, You might put money into an inactive Bitcoin mining process that still generates income from mining. Copium Protocol, a platform that offers a simple way to take part in cryptocurrency mining, is one such passive cryptocurrency mining project. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.